From the four corners of the world, they come to wish our Vijayan sir happy
This is
birthday.
Fatima Parveen, 98 batch, RMHS product. I take this opportunity to wish you many more happy returns of the day on your 70th birthday. Thank you, sir. Whatever thought in our school life. Thank you, sir.
Hi sir, hope you're doing well. I'm Shabna 93 batch, wishing you many more happy returns of the day. Have a good
குமார் சார் 93 பேட்ச். நானும் உங்கள் பொண்ணு சுனிதா எல்லாம் ஒன்றா தான் படித்தோம். ஸோ அவங்களோட பர்த்டே அன்னைக்கு வி தாட் ஆஃப் விஷிங் யூ இன் அ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் மேனர். ஸோ வி ஆர் ட்ரைங் டு சென்ட் அவர் விஷஸ் த்ரூ வித் திஸ் வீடியோ அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ரியலி அ பிளெஸிங் டு பி a ஸ்டூடெண்ட். இன்றைக்கி எங்களோட கேரியர்லேயும் எங்கள் லைஃப்லேயும் இவ்வளோ தூரம் நாங்கள் வந்து ட்ராவல் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோன்னா வித் மோர் கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ். இட்ஸ் ஆல் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் யுவர் எஜுகேஷன் சார், யுவர் டீச்சிங் ஸ்கில்ஸ். அப்போது நாங்கள் ஒழுங்காக படிக்கலைனாலும் என்னை நான் சொல்லணும், ஐ எம் நாட் ஸ்பீக்கிங் இன் காமன் வே. நான் பர்டிகுலராக வந்து உங்களோட நிறைய கிளாஸஸ் வந்து நான் அப்படியே ஜஸ்ட் ஒளிஞ்சிருவேன். ஏன்னா எனக்கு அப்போ வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுகிறது உங்களை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறதும் வந்து அவ்வளோ என்னமோ ஒரு பயமாக இருக்கும். பட் லேட்டஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜில் தான் அது நான் ரியலைஸ் பண்ணேன், அது வந்து அவ்வளோ ஒரு ஃபூலிஷ்னஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. பட் நீங்கள் எடுத்த கிளாஸஸ் எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு ஏதோ என்னோடய பேக் ஆஃப் மைண்டில் வந்து அது ஸ்டோர் ஆகிட்டே இருந்திருக்கு. அது லேட்டஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜில் தான் ஐ கேன் ரியலைஸ் வென் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி கேவ் லாட் ஆஃப் சேலஞ்சஸ். அதெல்லாம் ஓவர் கம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு வந்து யா டீச்சிங்ஸ் ஒன்லி ஹெல்ப் மீ சார். ரியலி தேங்க்யூ அண்ட் வி ஆர் பிளெஸ்ட் and I pray God to give you more life. Thank you, sir.
Sir, this is Samson Jayakumar of the 1993 batch. It gives me immense pleasure to wish you on your 70th birthday. Happy birthday, sir. Many, many happy returns of the day. I pray to God to wish you a long and healthy life. There are a lot of memories of you when I think of my school days, particularly what you taught us in high school. I still remember the Merchant of Venice that you taught us, the characters of Antonio, Bassanio and Shylock. There are several memories related to you and your teachings, and I always remember you whenever I hear about William Shakespeare. By the way, I did my engineering and worked for a corporate and got a chance to travel to several countries in the world. I owe a lot to you, sir. We are able to communicate well in English all because of you. Thank you so much for all the great things that you have done for me and the student community. I hope to meet you after this corona lockdown. And I wish you and your family all my good wishes. Take care, sir. Happy birthday.
Dear sir, wishing you a happy birthday, long and healthy life forever.
Hello Vijayan sir, how are you? I'm sure the Almighty is keeping you in good state and health. I am delighted and honored to pass on my little wishes to our beloved and respected English master. I am one of those students who did realize your value only after leaving the school and meeting other school teachers. And I am one of those students who did understand what is a passionate teacher only after meeting other teachers. And I am one of the students who did realize that whatever we are today, we have carried from you, sir. Whatever English I have, I owe to you, sir. And I must say I was extremely lucky to be your student, sir. And I can't thank you enough, sir. Passionate teachers like you can only be compared to the sun, air and the earth itself. They don't keep count for the number of lives they support and give. So, and if I think about you, I can remember your supremely stylish accent with perfect pronunciation that is almost like a musical rhythm. And I remember your 80s retro style dresses. You neatly dress up and your watch that is wrapped in your right hand. And I remember also because I got a tight slap from you, and I don't think I can forget ever. I wish you all good health, peace, and happiness, and you will stay young, sir. Wish you many more happy returns, and wish you many more birthdays like this, and wish one day I can also be part of that birthday in person, and I will be able to say my wishes in person. Thank you, sir.
Hello Vijayan sir, this is Karthikeyan from Railway School 97 batch. Whenever I remember my childhood days, I recollect your classes under the tree, teaching about Macbeth, then daffodils, stopping the woods on a snowy evening, especially the last stanza. There is miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. So this shows the responsibility behind us in personal as well as the professional life. And you are one of the fabulous teachers in this entire school. I wish you a very, very happy, prosperous, fantastic, lovely birthday celebration. I hope you will be celebrating with all your near and dear ones. Let this be a special birthday, and all our railway school friends have sent their wishes. I wish you a very, very fantastic year ahead. Thank you.
Hello Vijayan sir, this is Akbar Sharif from RMHS 97 batch. This RMHS 97 batch we formed before 2 years, with all our friends taking the lead as an organizers, and they formed this WhatsApp group, and we have periodically calls, and we are living the 90s moment in that. We have now a very strong bonding with our 97 batch, which we have not left over like that. So I take this opportunity by joining my friends to wish you all happiness in your life, and good health. Thank you so much, sir, to being a part of our life. And now the more you express the tales, and we lived, and it has been connected like the Macbeth and Julius Caesar, and other tales whichever you have taught us. Even now it has been connected to our hearts. It's just because of the way you have expressed to us. So more than a teacher, you are a wonderful person with gentle and with care, and very soft spoken. Thank you so much for everything so far, sir. Have a great day, have a great time with your family, and thank you so much.
Hello Vijayan sir, happy birthday. I'm Ramchandran K from 96-97 batch. I'm sure you won't remember me, but that should be fine. So what comes to my mind when I think about you is the way you taught us Macbeth and King Lear novels. You always encouraged us to picturize the story while you explained to us. Thank you, sir, for being instrumental in getting me interested in English. You have been a wonderful teacher, and we are privileged to be your students. എൻ്റെ സ്വന്തം നാടായ പട്ടാമ്പിയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള വിജയൻ സാറിന് എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ പിറന്നാൾ ആശംസകൾ. May God bless you with health, happiness and peace. Take care, sir.
Hello sir, this is Sivanaru Selvi from 97 batch. I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with health, wealth and happiness. You're the best English teacher I ever had. A mediocre girl like me reached this success in life because of great teachers like you, sir. Through you, we had a chance to peek through the world of English literature. You introduced so many characters to us. Thanks for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you, sir. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi, sir. My name is Victor, and I belong to 97 batch. Hope you're doing well. I'm so cherished and delighted to connect with you through this video, and I wish you a fulfilling life and many more years of joy, happiness, and success as you spread your knowledge across to us. And happy birthday to our beloved Vijayan sir. And you've been an awesome teacher in the early 90s, and hope you have a wonderful birthday this year. Most of our wishes gives you immense pleasure, and we continue to connect with you the kind of occasions like this, and hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.
Hi sir. Namaskaram. This is Suvesh, your student from 1997 batch. There are a lot of memories with you. Whatever English we speak, we owe to you. You introduce us to the world of Shakespeare, Wordsworth, Robert Frost, Jules Verne, and a lot more. To me, you are a Shakespeare. Still remember the way you taught us a lot of subjects, a lot of topics. I can recite maybe Glamis thou art and Cawdor and shall be. What thou art, yet do I fear thy nature. This I remember word by word, the way you explained. So that's it, Shakespeare. The greatest difference between any other normal school that those days and with that of our school is, obviously maybe people not agree and argue for the curriculum. Yes, curriculum and you. In case we had not that kind of a curriculum and you, we'd have been like any other normal school. And the moment we came out of the school, and when you pursue our higher educations anywhere, we'd have struggled with English as others had done. So yes, whenever I attend interviews or I do very well in a group discussion, GDs, and I finish that with smiling face, I come out and I remember I've got a lot of opportunities, done very well in job interviews with the kind of English we have. So everything we owe to you. Thanks a lot, sir. After this pandemic, as planned, we would like to catch up with you, celebrate with you, hear a lot of your talks, both in English and in Malayalam literature. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Seek blessings, sir. Thank you.
Hi, sir. How are you? This is Kadiravan, research engineer by profession from RMHS 97 batch. இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் சார். Have a fabulous birthday, sir. Be healthy and stay happy, sir. Thank you.
இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் சார்.
Good morning, sir. I'm Syed Nizam, 96-97 batch. I hope you remember me in the schools. Especially, I'm not in the studies, and also not a big icon in the studies, especially. I'm in the sports. I hope you remember me. Let the Almighty bless you with the good health, wealth, and happiness, sir. Take care, sir. Thanks for giving me a time to share with you. I hope in the future, I think in future we could meet again. I don't know where, but let the Almighty make the time, so give the time. I don't know what to speak like, because I'm not like Saravana or like Kannipriya or etc. Many of them left off. So inshallah we'll see, sir. Take care, because I should thank you, because if I'm able to speak in English, it's definitely because of you. Because the time I remember those days, because you used to encourage me, so many places, like, because I used to try to speak in English, and there are so many hurdles will be there. Then you used to lift me up, like, and now thank God, sir, I'm something now because of you, sir. Anyways, my big what to say, like, I'm very happy, sir. My big wishes. To be honest, I don't know. I cannot describe in the words, but it's there, sir. You are there always, and it will be there, sir. Thanks, sir. Thanks a lot. Take care, sir. Bye, bye, sir.
Hi, sir. How are you? This is Brinda here. First of all, I thank Vinny for this wonderful opportunity. And we are so happy that we are also a part of this special occasion. Actually, we have to say that we are so much blessed and proud to say that we had such a wonderful, talented teachers, and we always proud that we are RMHS product. Actually, thank you so much for all, sir, and I wish you a wonderful, wonderful, happy birthday from my whole of my heart, and thank you so much, sir. Happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. This is Sarana Kumar, one of your students from 1997 batch. This year I have an opportunity to wish you a very happy birthday, sir. ஒரு சில வார்த்தைகள் தமிழில் சொல்கிறேன் சார். வாழ்த்த வயதில்லை, வணங்குகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Hello, sir. This is Agustin. How are you? Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Hope all are be safe. This is a great pleasure to me to wish you good health and happiness. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, sir. This is Hema Richard. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, sir. இன்னமும் கிராமர் மேலே இருக்க பயம் மட்டும் போவே இல்லை சார். ஆனால் அன்னைக்கு நீங்கள் சொல்லிக் கொடுத்த கிராமர் தான் சார் இன்னைக்கு என் பையனுக்கு கிராமர் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் பீங் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் இங்கிலீஷ் டீச்சர், சார். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
Hello, sir. How are you? This is me, Kanipriya here. Happy birthday to you and wishing you many more such happy years with health and peace. And it's my privilege and honor to wish my dear teacher on this very special occasion. Hoping to celebrate your next birthday in person with you. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Hi, sir. I'm Jayanti from 97 batch. Sir, you are a great teacher and an extraordinary storyteller. Most importantly, it's only because of you I'm wishing you in English. Thank you so much for that. Happy birthday.
Hi, sir. Sarana Kumar here, 1997 batch. Wishing you a fantastic birthday, sir. It gives me immense pleasure and privilege to wish you on your memorable 70th birthday, sir. You have always been a special and influential figure in my life, right from school days, even now. The confidence and the knowledge you imparted in me continues to keep me in good stead. During school days, sir, you enriched our learning experience not only through academic lessons but also extracurricular activities. You are the one who introduced us to the world of William Shakespeare, Globe Theatre. You also taught various grammatical nuances. Apart from that, personally, you improved my writing skills by giving a lot of essay writing exercises, and also my public speaking skills by encouraging me to deliver speeches during literary association and annual day functions. So both those experiences were awesome for me, sir, and improved me a lot. I like to share an anecdote that aptly reflects how much you encouraged me, sir. It probably happened in 7th or 8th, sir, I'm not sure. You were taking a lesson in Greek mythology. When you crossed me, I don't know why, you thought I was not paying attention to you. I tried to convince you that I was indeed listening to you, but you did not believe me and scolded me in front of everyone. I was taken aback. But I tried to convince you again, but you asked me to narrate the lesson you were taking then. I took it as a challenge and narrated the whole lesson or story in my own words. You were very much impressed and asked the whole class to clap for me. That was one of my unforgettable moments in my school life, sir. You were angry and you scolded me at first, but you were gracious enough to appreciate me, sir. Thank you, sir. More importantly, I owe my career and life to you, sir. Sir, in 1997 I had a major spinal cord injury, was broken mentally and physically, and was in deep depression as well. Although I came out of it and strengthened my mental resolve, I could not find any career options in the mid 2000s. Since I completed only 10th and could not pursue higher secondary or college education, I did not have any professional options at that time, sir. It was there, the English knowledge you imbibed in me acted as the lifesaver, sir. Using the skills you taught me, I started a content writing enterprise in 2007 and has been successfully running it for the past 15 years, sir. So I was able to attain a livelihood and I've been living a constructive life purely because of the skills you taught me, sir. There is a saying, once a teacher is always a teacher. When I need some assistance in few of my orders, you are kind enough to help me in that as well, as sir. So you continue to be my teacher even now, sir. And I also have a fear that you might find some errors in the speech I am delivering now, sir. Okay, so fun apart. To sum it up, I always considered RMHS PTJ teachers as my living gods, sir. You are special among them. Since you taught Greek mythology to us, I always regarded you as the Zeus, the king of Greek gods. So wishing my Zeus a wonderful birthday and wishing you good health and optimal happiness, sir. And also I wish to thank Vinita for giving this opportunity to wish our beloved sir on his memorable birthday, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, my family also wants to wish you, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday with good health and happiness, sir.
Hi sir, this is Indrani from 97 batch. Hope you're doing great there and with good health. Happy birthday to you, sir. I've always been admiring and inspired by your teaching, and we always loved and enjoyed the way you narrate the Shakespeare stories and the wonderful poems which keeps us always remembering those words you say and narrate them. Thank you for being wonderful and keep us inspiring with your creations. Thank you.
Hi sir, this is Parvati from 97 batch. So happy birthday to you, sir, and I pray God for your good health and peace always. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. This is Ganga and Gauri. Hope you remember us. Hope you are doing good, sir. It is a different experience to wish a wonderful teacher on your birthday, sir. I am very glad to wish you on your birthday as well. Thanks to this advanced technology which reunites our batch students and staffs. May your birthday gives you joy and happiness, sir. Happy birthday to you, sir.
If you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant trees. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. I am honored and grateful to Sunita, who gave me this space on this special day to share a few words about my favorite teacher who inspired and always inspires me. Many, many happy returns of the day, sir. May the Almighty bless you. Long life with good health. Teachers are called many things: educators, mentors, instructors, etc., etc. No matter what they are called, we can all agree that they truly have a gift influencing lives both inside and outside the classroom. Everyone can recall at least one special teacher, if not more, that has profoundly impacted their life. That special teacher who has influenced me during my school days is my English teacher, Mr. Vijayan. He was an handsome English teacher who taught us English in a dramatic way. I still remember the play, Midsummer Night's Dream. Each and every character is still in my heart. He used to narrate the play in such a way that everyone were attentive, and when he gives a break, eagerly waiting for the next class. Sir, I still remember the grammar. You taught the simple, compound and complex. Today, when I teach my students the same grammar, I thank God for giving me such a great English teacher who made me to teach the next generation. Sir, on behalf of all my batchmates, I once again wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Prema. I'm your 1993 batch student. Now I'm working in Central University of Tamil Nadu as private secretary. I'm here today because of teachers like you, sir. My nature of work involves extensive drafting and noting skills. I would like to share few memories with you, sir. The way you carried the classes by narrating the story is amazing, especially the Merchant of Venice story. The modulations you show in narrating the character of Shylock, Jessica and Antonio is marvelous. You made us feel as if it is happening before us. We were blessed to have teachers like you, sir. I'm proud I'm your student. Sir, you had also great sense of humor. I will share an incident with you today. One day the class was so noisy, especially the girls' side. When you entered the classroom, you just looked at us and said, "In the world, the girls are the worst." You wanted to convey that girls are worst in a very worst manner, sir. Till today, I will tell to my friends and colleagues about this joke. They will enjoy it, sir. Sir, my wholehearted thanks for your service you rendered to us, sir. Really, we're blessed to have you as a teacher. Love you so much. Thank you.